Hey, Veronica. Hey. Hey, so Anastasia did quit this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and give you her work so that you can finish that for us. Oh, yeah. Am I going to get paid the salary of 2 people?
Am I? If I'm going to take double the patients?
No. Why would you? Because you said that you want me to do Anastasia's work and you want me to do my work, so that's 2 people.
Someone else's patients.
2, right? 1 + 1 = 2, right? Okay. No, I just want you to catch us up before the end of the day. So are you telling me that you want me to do double the work for the same pay? I'm not volunteering myself. This
also,
isn't
I would like to invite you to tell your charge nurses or your managers that they have a nursing license
and I need you to catch us up. We really need to get that done. No, okay. Well, that sounds like a you problem.
Sounds like a you problem,
Susan, right? That sounds like a big girl manager problem. So figure that out, right, on your own. I'm gonna go ahead and do my work that I'm paid to do, right? All right. Well, thank you. Bye.
Bye.